Introducing Elevate, Idealease's newest program designed to elevate your driver's performance for proven operational efficiency and substantial cost savings. Elevate works by analyzing truck and driver behavior data and providing the results directly to fleet managers using a scorecard system. Here's how Curtis Whitaker of EA Sween has been putting the Elevate program to the test at his facility.
We are a final mile delivery for 7-Eleven. We deliver 7 days a week to 7-Eleven stores. Out of the Louisville, Texas location, we deliver 525 stores. Austin delivers 230 stores. We have a fleet of 30 trucks out of Louisville, Texas, and 22 trucks out of Austin, Texas. What I like about Idealease Elevate Scorecard is the idle time. That's the main thing I focus on, is the idle time, because I know, again, carbon footprint is very important. The money we can save just from the fuel consumption, and again, the safety. We want our drivers safe at all times. And those are the three things that I focus on when I look at the idle time. We reach best in class with the Elevate Scorecard very quickly by having communications with our drivers. As soon as we receive the scorecard, we sit down with the drivers and have meetings with them and discuss the tops and the bottoms of them and what do we need to do to improve them, and just congratulate the ones who are at the top and improve on the ones who are at the bottom. And we had a driver in our Austin facility has higher corner turns than most other drivers, and we sat down with him and showed him where this happened and what time frame, and it has improved, and now he's back in line with the other drivers. Working with the Idealease Elevate team is very refreshing to me because they're very responsive to my needs. We don't have to have a person pulling the data for us. We have it already with Idealease. They give it to you and it's easy to understand.
Idealease's Elevate program can also enhance fleet safety. By using telematics to identify driving events like cornering and braking, and linking them to driver behaviors such as following too closely, fleet managers can work with their drivers to make any needed adjustments. This can lead to fewer accidents, which translates to lower insurance rates and repair costs. Jay Williams of PowerPlay uses the Elevate Scorecard to bring safety and efficiency to his fleet. Let's hear what Jay Williams has to say regarding the Elevate Scorecard.
So the Elevate Scorecard helps us not only influence driver safety habits, i.e. Safe driving, managing fuel efficiency, but we're looking longer term at helping us reduce some of the exposure on our insurance, tied to our fleet. That's a very competitive arena right now. Transportation insurance is going up dramatically. So Elevate is a big part of helping us manage, again, not only efficiencies, but the safety aspect, driving home that point to our team, utilizing we have monthly safety videos that we look at as well. So Elevate has been and will continue to be an integral part of what we're doing to ensure that we have the safest fleet possible out on the road.
Everyone offers data, but do you have the time to research it, customize it, and format it into a user-friendly dashboard for multiple levels within your organization? At Idealease, we do the work for you. Our Elevate Scorecard system allows us to obtain your data and measure it against other historical KPIs of similar fleets. Using these metrics, we can then compare your fleet's performance to other similar fleets. We also provide analysis reports on your trucks, weekly coaching tips, and prioritized improvement opportunities. No one else offers this level of service and value. Here's how Kevin Holcomb of Cold Front Distribution uses Elevate to enhance driver performance and safety.
Idealease's Elevate Scorecard has helped Cold Front in so many ways. The two biggest are driver performance and safety. There's a lot of ways to drive a truck, but only one way to drive it correctly. We monitor them every month on a number of different things, and we bring those things to their attention when they're doing poorly or when they're doing well. So it's been a real advantage for our drivers, I think, to be able to see how they rank with other drivers that do the same thing that they do. One of the big success stories that we've had with Elevate Scorecard has been rollover incidents. Prior to Elevate, we'd had 4 different rollover accidents involving high-speed cornering when the driver shouldn't have been going as fast as he was. The Elevate Scorecard has helped us highlight that, be able to put focus on cornering events and monitor that very closely, and we've reduced those to 0 in the last several years since we've been on Elevate. Another way that I haven't mentioned already is miles per gallon. We were way over our mark where we should be with Elevate. We've seen where other companies, where their average miles per gallon are at, We've gotten ours down closer to that, and in some cases even better than that. So it's been a huge advantage to us just on that one piece alone. Idealease has always been there to help us, support us. They've always been a great team member of ours. It's a very good partnership that we have with them.
We understand that our environment is important to everyone. By improving your fleet's overall fuel economy, the Elevate program reduces your company's carbon footprint. It's really that simple. At Idealease, we understand how important your business is to you. We've designed our Elevate program to improve your bottom line and deliver savings to your company. Using and analyzing data to improve your fleet's driver behavior is the best way to drive safety and efficiency in your fleet. So choose Idealease and drive success. For more information on how to improve your fleet, please send your inquiries to elevate@idealease.com.